Hi, I'm Pam Roberts, team leader of the Gateway Group at Keller Williams. Welcome to San Antonio Homes Insider. We provide buyer tips, some of our selling secrets, and talk about all the fun things to do in and around the San Antonio area. Today we're going to take a virtual tour of one of the listings we have in Windcrest. Let's get started. Welcome to 8215 Greedham in Windcrest. This community is in the northeast area of San Antonio. This home was built in 1980 and is completely updated. It features almost a quarter acre and 1,440 square feet. It's very spacious and open. The living room has a vaulted ceiling that's gorgeous, and it's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Notice these faux wood tile floors, as well as a floor-to-ceiling fireplace. Now let's take a look at the breakfast area and the galley-style kitchen. Notice there's a stainless steel smooth cooktop range in the kitchen, as well as an updated backsplash and faux granite-style countertops. All of the cabinetry's been painted, and it has a stainless steel sink. Adjacent to the kitchen is the laundry room, and as a bonus, the washer and dryer are included. Let's take a look again at this open floor plan and how it transitions from the breakfast area to the living room. As you make your way down the hallway, you'll come to the first bedroom. This could be used as a guest room or as an office. It's a nice space and it has a good sized closet and also natural light coming from the window. All of the bedrooms in this home have been freshly painted and the carpets have been steam cleaned, and there have been no pets in the home. The guest bath is conveniently located in the hallway across from both of the bedrooms, and it also has an oversized vanity. The next bedroom you come to has a double window as well as a double closet. There's plenty of room for a growing family. What a great master retreat. This one has plenty of light as well as an open floor plan. You'll notice that this has also a double closet, one for him and one for her. One of the things I really like about this home is the master bedroom. It's very spacious. In the master bath, you have ceramic tile flooring as well as a double vanity and a separate area for your shower bath. Now let's take a look at the outdoor area. If you like outdoor living and gardening, this is the home for you because it has a nice sized yard, almost a quarter acre, plus the previous owner has put in all the fruit trees for you already. The yard is totally fenced, so it's great for pets or children. It is a really nice sized yard. I also wanted to mention that this home is located in the Northeast Independent School District, which is top rated. Thanks so much for joining us today for the virtual tour of the home in Windcrest. If you liked watching San Antonio Homes Insider today, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be updated as soon as our next video comes out. And if you have any suggestions on other information you'd like to hear about, just leave us a comment below. Thanks and have a great day.